My child, I know you want it now. I know you don't understand what is going on. But sometimes the only thing you can do is rest. Sometimes you will feel you did all you could, like the journey is never ending. And sometimes your strength will deplete. You will grow tired and weary, and you will know. That is when it is time to lay it down. That's when it is time to surrender. That is when only the Father can do it. That's where miracles are birthed. God will turn your trial into your biggest testimony. Every mess will become your miracle. Any setback is only a setup. Your breakdowns are over because breakthrough is coming. The Lord is working behind the scenes in your life, arranging things for your good and cutting you off from people with wrong motives. I prophesy blessings are coming. Great favor is coming, more than you asked shall come in, for God is so good and generous. Type yes if you believe in God, and also subscribe God's Manifesto 11:11. Thank you.